Hi, my name is Miss Susan and I work in the Children's Department at the Main Branch Library, and today I'm going to share a delicious story with you called Tony Baroni Loves Macaroni. And after this story, Miss Loren will be sharing a tasty cooking video on how to make rainbow spaghetti. Tony Baroni Loves Macaroni is by Marilyn Sadler and illustrated by Lucy Carvato. And we would like to thank the people at Blue Apple Publishers for giving us permission to read this book today. So, Tony Baroni, he loved macaroni. He ate it with butter. He ate it with cheese. He ate it for breakfast. He ate it at noon, then ate it for dinner with a huge serving spoon. Oh, Mamma Mia, cried Nonna Sophia. I cooked lasagna. I roasted potatoes. I fried zucchini and sliced ripe tomatoes. No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese. Nonna made oodles of other good noodles, so she served Tony some spinach cannelloni. No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese. Nonna cooked panini with tomatoes and cheese, bow ties with broccoli, and spaghetti with peas. No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese. Nonna served rotini and meat tortellini, ravioli with yam, and rigatoni with ham. No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese. One day, Tony Baroni, who loved macaroni, who ate it with butter, who ate it with cheese, who ate it for breakfast, who ate it at noon, who ate it for dinner with a large serving spoon, knew just what he wanted to eat. Enough macaroni, enough cheese. How about pizza with tomatoes and peas? Now Tony eats pizza for breakfast. He eats pizza at noon. He eats pizza with peas by the light of the moon. The end. Have you ever done any of these mealtime activities? Drawn your favorite breakfast? Maybe draw your favorite lunch? What would you eat by the light of the moon? Or what would you eat when you went out to a restaurant? Here's some names of some pastas. Let's see if you can count how many you've actually had. We have angel hair, cavatelli, cannelloni, capellini, fazooli, fettuccine, gemelli, ravioli, penny, orzo, macaroni, lasagna, linguine, rigatoni, ratoni. Oh, spaghetti, tortellini, tagliatelle, vermicelli, ziti. These are all some of my favorites. Some I just learned. Now you can follow Miss Loren's delicious video on making a super bowl of rainbow pasta. Happy cooking.